Welcome to the Mediabox. Frank Schwabe here to talk about his report into the need to restore rights and rule of law in Russia's North Caucasus region. You're very concerned about the situation there. Tell us about it.
For sure, I'm very concerned, and I'm very concerned that the Council of Europe is no more able to monitoring in a very good way. We will proceed, but we cannot go there now. And I know that the people in Ingushetia, Dagestan and Chechnya are very much suffering.
And tell us about their suffering, about the human rights situation.
I think it's the worst human rights situation, beside the situation where we have an open war now for sure in Ukraine. But beside this, it's the worst human rights situation all over Europe. You have everything what you can imagine as violations of human rights, torture, killings, disappearance of people, whether you are LGBTI, you are against the so-called chair or president or however of the Chechen Republic. So you find everything you can imagine as a very important violations of human rights.
You said there that the Council of Europe doesn't have as much scope as it used to. Well, what can be done?
We can just monitor. For sure, Russia have still the obligation, although we push them out of the organization, but they have still the obligation to fulfill the judgments of the court. So because of this, I ask people still to go to the court. However, it's possible in this situation to the 16th of September, they can come with a new case, and then even when the court decides in 5 years, Russia has the obligation to fulfill. But for sure, I'm not naive. I know they will not do so, although they have the obligation, but we have to monitor. We have to speak, we have to give testimony, we have to hope that we can have a kind of organizing courts outside of Russia to keep those ones responsible for who commit human rights violations. And one day we hope the situation in Russia changes. Because of this, it's necessary to collect every information about human rights violations, to take people responsible.
Frank Schwabe, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.